bending moment diagram on brake lever. We will be designing the brake lever, design of the brake lever. Now, you please draw the figure from this side. Okay, so now the moment is P into A minus B up to this point, and from this point this mu n into m plus y by 2. Okay, so this is mu n into up to this point, na? So this is equal to m plus y by 2. So m plus y by 2 is taken as k, so that is un into k. K is equal to y by 2 plus m. K is equal to y by 2 plus m. Okay, so this is the bending moment diagram. Now we need bending moment diagram to find out the maximum bending moment. That is important. So this is P into A by A minus B and plus mu n k. This is this is a negative sense. So this is actually the maximum bending moment, P into A minus B plus mu n k. Okay. Now, one minute. Now designing will be based on the maximum bending moment. This m max is equal to P into A minus B plus mu n k, where k is equal to y by 2 plus m. Now sigma max stress, maximum stress, is equal to m maximum divided by z. Okay, this is the section modulus. Now this is equal to sigma. This is for designing sigma. Let us assume 800 kg per centimeter square for mild steel. Now, so z we know, ty square by 6, this is 6. Okay, so is equal to sigma. So from here m is known, this is known, so ty square and this is 6 can be, ty square can be found out. Okay, so this ty square together is found out. So let us take the t by y by t ratio, but t by y ratio, we can assume it. This ty square is known now. Now thus y or t can be found out, y or t can be found out by taking the ratio t by y, and which you have to assume or it will be given in the problem itself. Okay, so this is the, I will in the next time I will solve a problem. Now let me solve the problem relating to the design. Now you just write down the problem. A short shoe block brake shown in the figure is used to stop an effective inertia of effective inertia of 6000 kg centimeter square, rotating at 1000 rpm. This the drum is rotating in 1.5 second. So this is TB actually. Assuming a factor of reliability of 1.3, brake drum diameter is given 350 millimeter, A is 500 millimeters, B is 250 millimeter, and E is equal to 20 millimeter, so that it is self-energizing. This is the condition given. So it is self-energizing. So the first formula, anticlockwise rotation of the drum, is applicable. Find the braking effort, means P, for mu is equal to 0.2. Check whether it is self-locking and modify the E. If required. Draw the bending moment diagram of the brake lever. Select and draw the section of the lever giving dimension. Matlab you have to find out the section T and Y. You have to find out. This is a solution. Please, this formula we have already given. Please note down. Okay. You have 980 centimeter per second square. It will be kg centimeter. This torque. So it is 427.42 kg centimeter. So TD, designing torque, is equal to CB 1.3 is given, 427.42 is equal to 555.64 kg centimeter. Now P is equal to this. So this much is 78 kg. Now if someone tells why it is in P in force in kg, you multiply this one by 9.81, it will give you Newton. Okay, there is no problem. Very simple. And if it is torque is kg centimeter, you can convert into Newton meter. Thus by multiplying 9.81 and centimeter dividing it, meter, this is 100. So self-blocking condition, this is the self-blocking condition. Now this is this 125. So E must be greater than 125 for the self-blocking condition. Here E is 20. So 125 millimeter. 125 centimeter. But it is given our 2 centimeter. So it is not greater. So this is our problem is not a self-blocking. Thank you.